Hello everyone, welcome to my garlic patch. This is my first time growing garlic. I've overwintered two varieties which I planted in the fall of 2025. It is the 23rd of March now and I'm in zone 8B in the Pacific Northwest. The first variety I planted is called Chesnok. It's a smaller variety, but apparently it has big flavor and it's great for roasting. Apparently, if done right, it can be stored for 3 to 5 months. This behemoth is the second variety called Music. I guess it makes some really large bulbs and sends out garlic scapes, which I will be harvesting when fairly small to help the garlic focus on bulb development. Done right, this one can be stored for 4 to 6 months, a bit better than Chesnok. Both of these are hardneck varieties of garlic. Like I said, I'm still new to growing garlic, so if you have some clever advice, let me know in the comments. I'm also new to long-form videos, so if you have some suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Thank you for watching.